This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 versus the iPhone 10 or the iPhone X, whatever you want to call this phone. Now the Galaxy Note 9, this one is the Snapdragon 845 variant with a whopping 512 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM. iPhone 10 has the A11 Bionic chip, only 3 gigs of RAM. These two phones, however, are around the same price range. Put the S Pen back in the Note. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the 10. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Give that to the 10. Messages. Very close. Maybe the 10 again. Camera. You guys are the judges. Calculator. Very close. I think that one was a tie. Clock on both phones. Very close again. Start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Play Store and App Store. Let's go. And give that to the Note 9. Search for Lyft on both. And leave that in the background. eBay on both phones. And give this to the Samsung Night. Click on this Apple Watch. And leave that in the background. Twitter on both phones. Note 9. Baseball at bat, let's go. And give this one to the 10. Samsung Internet and Safari, let's go. Search for Amazon on both, let's go. And give that to the Note 9. Scrolling through both. Give you an idea of the browsing speeds. Gotta give the advantage to Android on this one. Amazon full site. And looking at the progress bar, I'm gonna give that to the Note 9. Pinch to zoom. Butter on both. There you go. Leave that in the background. Super Mario Run. Loading on the Note 9. And give this to the Samsung Night. Tap to begin. iPhone 10 a little bit faster though when running the actual game. And leave it in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers New York World Tour. Loading on both. And give this to the 10. Tap to play. Close it out. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Frozen Shadows. Both are loading right now. Oh, so close. Woo, that's a tie. Maybe the iPhone 10 by literally a split second. Slow down the video for me. Tap to play. Close it out. Fortnite, let's go. And give this to the iPhone 10. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, Note 9 is way ahead. Will the iPhone catch up? Nope. And give the win to the Note 9 on this one. Asphalt 9, let's go. And give this to the Note 9. Tap play on both and leave it right there. IG, let's go. Note 9 on this one. And Snapchat, the Note 9 again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything is in the background as you can see. Now this Note 9 has a whopping 8 gigs of memory. Let's see what happens. Instagram, good to go. This one, paused and ready to resume on both. Grand Theft Auto, let's go. Ready to go. Fortnite. Good to go on both. Temple Run 2. ready to resume. Subway Surf. No reloads yet on either phone. Super Mario Run. Good to go on both. iPhone's keeping up. The web browsers. Same place, but a little bit of a delay here on the right, as you can see. Baseball. A little bit of a delay again on the iPhone. Twitter on both phones. And again, another reload on the iPhone. eBay. A little bit faster on the left. The Play Store and App Store. Complete reload on the iPhone 10. Note 9, still in RAM. Clock on both phones. Still running the stopwatch. Calculator. Still in RAM. Camera. You guys are the judges. Messages. Looks like both reloaded that one. And the phone app. Give that to the Note 9. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this test between these two rivals. Are you an Apple sheep rocking the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, iPhone 8, or iPhone 8 Plus, or this iPhone 10 with a notch up top? Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking this brand new Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, Note 8, S8 or S8 Plus? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.